after we'd finished the patio, we decided we'd got a little corner right in the back, just where I'm working, that was perfect for a pizza oven. Ritch loves pizzas, so we thought, why not build our own oven? I suppose I ought to explain what we're doing. We're great believers in using what we have to hand, reclaiming, recycling. So what we're actually doing is making the base for our pizza oven to sit on. We had 4 pieces of leftover telegraph pole from when we built the pergola. So what we're doing in this clip is positioning the telegraph poles for the opening to the log store, which is going to be underneath the pizza oven. As I'm the brickie of the family, I'm now building up the walls of the log store, which will also be the base for the pizza oven. We used a piece of reclaimed timber for the mantel, which sat on top of the telegraph poles, and then I finished bricking the wall to the same level as the top of the mantel. We decided we wanted a curved front to our pizza oven base, so we added an extra course of bricks to the 2 walls and the mantel, tying the whole thing together. Is it cosy in there?
Oh yeah, really.
Did you have a good night's sleep?
Doesn't look like that, doesn't it?
Look at that! Are you good or what?
I swear blind, I've done stuff like that before. Damn.
Okay, so let's give you a quick tour of what Rich has just done. We've used hardy backer board. Doesn't have to be hardy, just that's what we had left over from when we did our bathroom, to create the base for the pizza oven. So we're going to pour the concrete slab on top of this. So there we go. It's pieced together, supported underneath this joint here. We used a thin layer of mortar on top of the bricks to lay the hardy board. Then used the remaining mortar to seal the joints. We attached a piece of curved melamine to the underside of the hardy board using screws and then sealing with silicone. We did this to prevent the concrete seeping when we poured the slab. Next, we added a hardy board upstand, sealing any joints between the board and the base with silicone, again to prevent the concrete seeping. Then we attached a piece of curved MDF along the front edge, screwing it to the melamine that we'd added earlier. The form was completed by adding melamine sides. We attached plastic to the inside edge of the curve to stop the MDF going soggy. Then finally, buttoned up all the seams with silicone. There we have it, we're ready to pour our slab now to put our pizza oven on. So Rich has just cut some rebar and zip tied it together. It was 7 o'clock at night when we started the concreting, and I think we underestimated how long it was actually going to take. A couple of barrows in, and we are now adding our rebar for strength. Finishing off now with the rest of the concrete up to the level of the boards. We used a straight piece of timber to remove any excess concrete, and then finished off with a light smooth with a trowel.
Okay folks, so here we have it. 1 slab for our pizza base, pizza oven even. It's 8:30 at night, we've just finished. It's been quite a long day. getting all this in and what have you. So fingers crossed, everything's okay in there. We've put rebar in, which you probably saw from the time-lapse video, just to help support and strengthen this front edge particularly. It's a very strange colour. Most people probably won't have seen that before. It's actually white cement that we've used or that Ritch has used in the concrete mix. We're going to come back in a little while when some of the water's evaporated off there and just make sure we've got a nice level surface. It is level, but a nice smooth surface, because there's an awful lot of water rising up out of the concrete at the moment. Obviously, the pizza oven's going to cover a large amount of this area, so the bits that are going to be showing around the edges we'll just polish up. Hopefully we'll get a really nice smooth finish, and I'm going to sign off for now. I've had enough. I want some tea. So we'll catch you in another one. Bye!